Arthur got in a situation where he has stenosis in two parts of his back, which is a very narrowing area, in the cervical and the lumbar. And the cervical, the cord, which is our main spinal cord coming down, was getting entwined in disc material and tumor material. So he was losing ability to use his arms and his legs. When he came up here, he could walk, but it's a very ataxic gait. It's not a very comfortable gait for safety. And so we put him in the water, and that's the reason we got him in the water, because it's safe. It gives him a little resistance to work against. But he's probably 50% better than he was when he first came in. He could barely walk when he first came in.
My problem is not pain. I have no pain. It is balance. And balance is very difficult for me. Coming in here in this pool with the care that I get and the difference in the currents that they're able to put up on me and test my ability to stand up and to walk against it has been fantastic. I come 3 times a week usually if I can make it.
His biggest question was, I've really got to get better. I just don't want to, float around. And the problem was he didn't see the water as being a hard enough workout. We talked about how sometimes when you substitute patterns, your big muscles take over for the small muscles, and we need the small muscles to work. And the water, it lets you relax a little bit in there so we can get all your muscles, even the weak ones, to work. You get them even out, also now the muscles work together.
I feel that I'm progressing. I feel it's about a 30 to 45 minute session. It's very comfortable, and I think the fact that it's warm and it's very user-friendly once you get in it, it takes a lot of the stress away, and I feel it's helping me.
Well, I think this type of pool, gives us a lot of options with Arthur. I can get him out of the current, work him in an area where he can work in the 4-foot depth. We can work on walking, we can work on shifting, we can work on quickness of patterning. We can get over in the 5-foot area, put that current on him where he can work on resistance against it, for center of gravity, for balance, for shifting weight, changing positions. So in his case, we can actually work on just about every problem he has. And even with other people in the pool, we can rotate back and forth through all these different areas. Someone else can use the current while we're using still space. It's not cluttered. We have lots of space to move around. That's the biggest advantage for someone like Arthur, where I have to work on lots of different techniques to try to get everything to work. And I think that's a real advantage for the Swimex.